It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Essence. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, a programmable memory seat, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, a power lift gate where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button and the information tab, lighting controls, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the aero buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We're able to change our camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking that switch at the bottom of the screen. To the left of our infotainment center, we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. Heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Here we have auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, traction control, self park, and park assist. The Sport Touring package comes with front and rear sport bumpers, a custom grille with red accents, LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper, remote start, and a power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here. Push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk, we've got a shade, plenty of cargo storage space, cargo lights, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has some power plug-ins. Our middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats down by simply pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Essence, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.